A lot of times I say you have all the tools you need to start creating videos in your pocket. And by that, I mean your iPhone. But people come back to me and say, well, how do I edit from my iPhone? So today I'm going to talk to you about iPhone editing apps, how to use them, what's the best, and how you can use it to edit your videos in a professional way. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Jessica and I am here to help you grow a bigger, better business by using video and YouTube marketing in said business. And if that sounds like something you want to do, make sure you hit subscribe. I publish videos every Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, and I want you coming back for hashtag all of them. So make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss anything. Now today's video is going to be short and sweet because I really just want to show you what there is available on the iPhone to edit your videos with. And really there's two main players in this space. If you are filming videos on your phone and you are not quite ready to step it up to hire an editor or learn to edit yourself, and you just really want to be able to use your phone to go straight from the filming to the editing to the uploading, you can absolutely do that. And these editing softwares make it super easy. So the one that I would recommend to almost everybody on the iPhone is iMovie. It is very, very simple, very easy to use, very easy to cut pieces out of and edit and piece things together and export. And actually you can export straight from the phone up to YouTube. It's amazing. So if you've not used iMovie yet, you definitely need to check that out. Very, very simple and easy to use. It's not hard at all. So there's no excuse for you to say, I don't have the tools I need if you have an iPhone in your pocket. Now there's a newer player on the scene that I have seen and played with a little bit over the last few weeks and months, and that is Kinemaster? I don't know how you say it, but it's Kinemaster. So from what I understand as a non-Android user, it has been around on the Google Play Store and on Android for a while. It just kind of came into the Apple scene just recently, and I've been playing with it a little bit, and it has a few more features than iMovie does and seems to be a little bit more robust. So it is definitely one to check out. If you have other video editing apps, whether that's Android or iPhone, hit me up in the comments and let me know what they are, because I guarantee people will be watching this and be looking for other apps they can use. So hit them up in the comments below. And don't forget, you really do have everything you need to get started in video editing and video filming and video production and all of that for your business in your pocket. You literally have the one tool you need, and that is your iPhone or your Android or whatever. And hopefully now you know of a couple of programs that you can go play with and figure out so that you can edit straight from your phone as well. So until next time, hit subscribe. Bye y'all.